All right, y'all, so I just cooked me some turkey wings. Get into it. Can y'all see? Rice, cabbage. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that turkey wing. Y'all see it? I just did me some turkey wings, rice, cabbage, and I'm about to mix it up. Put a little bit of hot sauce on there. I like my little pepper sauce. That's that little 5% Jamaican I got in me. Can y'all see? I gotta get a better setup for my phone and stuff, because I ordered something so I can start doing my little eating videos, but it's not giving what it's supposed to give, so it's giving ghetto right now. Get into the lips, get into the lips. Yep, it's so good. So, by the next time I do my next video, I have a better setup. But I use my Ghetto Girl Eat Spicy seasoning on my turkey wings. Look at them onions. And I just did like 2 whole onions, because onions give it a lot of flavor too. Can somebody bring me the Ghetto Girl Eat seasoning? I just want y'all to see how you literally can use this seasoning on everything because of the herbs that's in it. Look how the turkey wings falling off the bone though. When I tell y'all, bussin'. Thank you. So I gotta hold it bootleg until I order me some. I'm going to Amazon tonight. Y'all tell me what I need to order. It's giving real ghetto. The plate hanging off the table. I'm gonna get it together. But I use my Ghetto Girl Eats all-purpose spicy seasoning. It's so good. Look at the herbs in there. I'm over here adjusting. See, I told y'all, I'm getting it together. I'm gonna upload this to my YouTube. But when I tell y'all the flavors are there, they are there. I don't like the fatty part of the skin. Let's taste these cabbages. Somebody mama need to be slapped. I got bit by a bee in my face. The swelling is going down a little bit, but everybody be like, her lips just hurt me. Okay, they hurt you. I love them. And be like, they don't even move when she chew. Yes, they do. Yes, they do. They be like, she be having surgery all the time. How she eat all that food and stay small? High metabolism, portion control, working out, drinking a lot of water. I can't make it up. Let me get it so y'all can see, so it can focus. The meat just falling out the bone. It make y'all want to eat it. So I'm eating it. I just love hot sauce. Even if my food super good, I'm gonna always add a little hot sauce. I love brunch and boys. Y'all can go get this shirt from GhettoGirlEats.com as well. That's a true fact about me, baby. I love a brunch and I love a boy. Happy face plate. All my food gone. If y'all be saying y'all eat y'all food all pretty, well, Tiffany do. She be like, find somebody else to do it. My food gone, babes. Until next time, y'all. To the bone. To the bone is gone. Them cabbages are so good. They so good. I'm about to try the jerk one next. I'm gonna come back and eat the jerk one. I feel like I need a jerk one, you know. See how it tastes. All right. Wait, let me get it neat and nice because that look a little. It's gone.